everyone, I'm Stuart and welcome to Learn Grammar with Stuart. In today's class, we'll be expressing a difference between three or more things. To do this, we'll be using superlatives. Here is a featured quote that uses today's grammar. This season's must-have accessories are by far the most chic. Or what about this picture? Here we can see three sets of weights, and the blue weights are easily the heaviest. Or what about this picture? The blue skyscraper is clearly the tallest building. So when we describe a difference between three or more things, we usually use the following words: by far, clearly, obviously, easily, definitely, without a doubt, not quite, pretty much, or nearly. But are these words all the same? Let's find out. Okay, let's break it down. By far is perfect for expressing a large difference. That's exactly what it does. If you use clearly, obviously, easily, definitely, or without a doubt, these are all adverbs of certainty, but they can be used to describe a big difference, especially when that big difference is very easy to notice. Or we can use not quite, pretty much, or nearly when we want to express the idea of almost. So it's not the biggest, but maybe it's the second biggest. Let's look at this example. Here we've got some different people, and everyone's a different age. Michael is 38, Ella is 33, Don is 32, Kate is 20, Sam is 34, Tim is 32, and Trevor is 39. So Kate is the youngest, and there is a very large difference between Kate's age and everyone else's. So we can say Kate is the youngest by far. Let's see how this grammar works. So, step one, make a sentence using a superlative. For example, Kate is the youngest. Then add by far before the superlative. So the sentence becomes, Kate is by far the youngest. Or you can add by far after the superlative. Kate is the youngest by far. Putting it before or putting it after, they're exactly the same. You can choose. All of these sentences have the same meaning. Kate is by far, clearly, obviously, easily, definitely, without a doubt the youngest. They're all interchangeable. Now let's look at the second usage. Let's look at Michael and Trevor. Trevor's 39, so Trevor is the oldest. But Michael is 38. He's very close to being the oldest, but he's not the oldest. So he's almost the oldest. Let's look how this grammar works. So we could say Michael is the second oldest, or Michael is not quite the oldest, almost the oldest, nearly the oldest, or pretty much the oldest. Let's do some practice. I've got some activities. I'd like you to use the hints to practice making example sentences. Make sure to say all of your answers out loud, except if you're on the train, because that would be strange. Okay, let's go. Here's the example. We've got three people. Meg have long hair by far. So the sentence becomes, Meg has by far the longest hair. Now, for each activity, I'll give you 3 seconds to say the correct answer. Let's go. This dog have little fur, obviously. 3, 2, 1. This dog obviously has the least fur. The mother duck, big, easily. 3, 2, 1. The mother duck is easily the biggest. Tom, tall in the class, almost. 3, 2, 1. Tom is almost the tallest in the class. That's the end of today's class. Thank you very much for watching. In today's class, our featured grammar was expressing a difference between three things using superlatives. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe. We'll try to release videos weekly. If you could share this content with your friends, that would be fantastic. Please comment below so you can practice the grammar from today's class. And if you could like this video, that would mean a lot. Okay, thanks. Bye.